Hi everybody, it's Tammy with TJ's Kids. I'm back for day 2 of my Growing in Unity Gal videos, and today we're going to put together a card. And today I used the stamp You Matter, Start Loving Yourself by Grace L Designs, and it's this beautiful stamp right here. And I used a beautiful flower and 2 different images. I made a couple different cards. And so, not to bore you with my coloring today, I pre-did them up and we're going to do the cards 2 different ways. I did a card where I alcohol colored the flower using alcohol markers. I used Spectrum Noirs and art markers. And I also did a card in a version watercoloring. I used watercolor pencils, and I just used the DuArt brand watercolor pencils, and I used a blender pen to blend in my pencils. So I'm going to quickly put together a card using another image that I already pre-colored. So I'll just slide these to the side here. And I'm using a basic A5 pre-made card and envelope. And I already pre-cut down my papers and everything to make this faster. And I colored this image already of the flower, and this image is colored with the art markers. And I also have the sentiment already cut out, stamped and cut out. And I took the alcohol marker around the edges just to give it a little bit of matching with the flower. So first I'm going to take my pre-made card and my cutout paper, which I also inked around the edges, and we're going to adhere it down to my card base with some ATG. And this paper is some older paper from my stash, and I will tell you what it is here in one moment. It's an authentique paper. It is actually Adventure. It's from a camping paper pad, but I love the wood grain that is so fall feeling right now. So I just adhered that down, and I'm going to take my sentiment, which I put on foam. We're going to peel that backing off. And I'm going to just angle it right here, diagonal across the top of the card. Turn that around for everybody to see. And then I'm going to take my beautiful colored flower, and I also adhered it up on foam. And I don't like to go light on my adhesive, so there's lots and lots of foam on here. So I'm just going to peel all this backing off real quick. And we're going to, sorry, lots of foam. I never go light on my adhesive. I like to make sure that my things are stuck down really well. Okay, last piece. And I got that. And I want my flower to also go diagonal. I'm going to work upside down here so you all can see. And I'm going to place it right about here. And just attach that there. And I also wanted to add a little bit of sparkle to my layout. So I just picked out some rhinestones from my stash. These are just your basic rhinestones. And I'm going to take 3 of them and just put them down here in this corner, like so. Oops, that one popped off. Put that back on there, and if you need to, you can add some extra adhesive underneath those rhinestones. And there's the front of your card. Now, myself, I do not like, you could leave your inside blank, but myself, I do not like a blank inside, so I already made a matching inside for my card, so I'm going to go ahead and adhere that down. have that. A little bit of ATG on there. Line that up. And my inside is just a leftover scrap from cutting my 6x6 piece for the front, and just some plain brown scrapbook paper. And it just leaves my inside for a nice place to write, and a little decorative strip. And my inside now matches the outside of my card. And there's a beautiful card made in minutes. And I have a nice craft envelope to go with that one. And this one was colored in with art markers, which are alcohol markers. And this sentiment reads, "Start loving yourself for everything that you are." And the version that I did using the colored pencil method reads, "No matter what you do, don't let go of your dreams." And as I said, I also did the inside of this one. And another alcohol marker version is the pink one. And I also did the inside of that card. And here I have 3 lovely versions of a card using the beautiful stamp, which is GD 1516A, You Matter, Start Loving Yourself. This is my day 2 for Growing in Unity Gals at the Unity Stamps. Please check them out. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below for your chance to win one of 2 great goodie packages that Unity will be giving away this week. Come back tomorrow and see what I have to share tomorrow. Bye, guys!